Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A circular area featuring a brick flower bed beautifully links the terrace, lawn, and flower plantings, creating a neat garden nook right by the house. Old bathtubs have been transformed into a unique relaxation area, where vibrant armchairs instantly catch the eye during the summer months. A log archway creates a fairy tale look, instantly lending the garden nook a warm, natural, and memorable feel. An old bathtub has become a colorful flower bed, where tulips stand out beautifully against the backdrop of a wooden fence and the home's greenery. A boat placed on the terrace serves as an unusual shelving unit, adding warmth, rustic charm, and a lakeside summer vibe to the space. A green roof topped with stones and plants makes this cellar look like a tiny woodland cottage straight out of a fairy tale. An old ship's wheel transforms a wooden gate into a unique entrance, instantly giving the yard a nautical feel and a sense of leisure. Even a small flower bed by the path can look stunning when enhanced with roses, white pebbles, stonework, and accent lighting. A log fence has a rugged look, yet, combined with stone elements, it gives the yard a lively, natural character. This spot by the house easily becomes a perfect place for relaxing, chatting, and enjoying quiet evenings in the fresh air. A wooden bench like this blends seamlessly into the garden, offering a peaceful spot to rest after working on the grounds.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.